This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to submit house tax online. Start by gathering your property ID, assessment notice, bank details, and ID proof. Visit the official tax portal and create or sign into your account. Select the property, confirm assessment details, and enter the payable amount. Upload required documents in PDF or JPEG format, review the summary, and proceed to secure payment with your debit. In this video, I will show how to submit house tax online. Create an account using a verified email and a strong password, then verify your address if prompted. Navigate to the property registration section and enter the official property ID and owner details exactly as on your notice. Save the entry and confirm by checking the dashboard for the newly added property before moving on to the assessment and payment steps. In this video, I will show how to submit house tax online. After selecting the property, confirm the payable amount and check for any late fees. Choose net banking, debit card, or the portal's UPI option, then complete the secure payment with two-step authentication if required. Wait for the confirmation screen, download the receipt, and save the transaction reference for future queries or appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.